What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? I got my hands on a new car. What am I gonna do with this car? I have no idea. But what's wrong with this car is that somebody stole the catalytic converter, and that's why it's so loud. But I'm headed to the junkyard to get this issue resolved. I'll see you in a bit. Yo, guys, this thing is loud. That's crazy. And this car is not even that like high, so I don't know how like somebody got under this thing to steal the catalytic converter, man. But this thing, yo, this thing is super loud. Headed to the junkyard. Let's go. So this is what's cut, guys. This is what we're looking at. Somebody came and chopped this. You see there? They chopped it there, and they chopped it there. They chopped a big chunk, and that's why the car is super loud. Job was done. Car is on right now. You can't even hear it. We do have a check engine light that's to be expected because it's missing an 02 sensor. I want to go get me a coffee, and I want to give you guys a quick look at what the car looks like. I want to wash it to get a full understanding of the car. So we're gonna go get some coffee and get a car wash. So we caught a flat. We stopped to get our coffee, and then rippling. Oh, that sounds bad. It smells like burnt rubber. This tire said no mas. We're not too far from you know who. Who's PAPI Tires? Who's PAPI Tires? PAPI Tires. Who's PAPI Tires? So peep the carnage. Look what happened. Look at how we ended up. Look at this. 2 seconds of driving. We are here. Who's PAPI Tires? Because you already know. We always come here first. This is what it's looking like before the wash. It's looking real dusty. Look at this. Dusty. We'll let it here wash. Look at trashy.
A few moments later.
So this is gonna be the review of the car. My wife is gonna see the car for the first time, and it's her birthday today, guys. So wish her a happy birthday. She's a whole 30 years old. I'm gonna let her see the car for the first time. Yeah, that's about it. All right, I got a flat on the way.
You got a flat?
Yeah, on the way. The tire popped. But look how clean it is. It's brand new in there.
Oh, this is like my uncle's old car.
This car is like practically mint. 74,000 miles. We got an ear pod in there. Peep it, guys. Like the car looks, it's a great looking car. We got the flat. Y'all saw it already. Minty. 74,000 miles. Interior is like immaculate. It's beautiful, clean. We got some free change. You can't beat this. Like, this is great. Just give you a quick peek. It needs a wash, but for y'all Honda heads, this is I think a K24. No leaks, I don't see no oil stains, nothing. 74,000 miles on that thing, that's brand new. That car just got broken in. Empty trunk, look at that. And it got the Honda plastics.
I fit in there. Is it wet?
Yeah, they washed.
Wow.
She's not as ugly as you thought it was.
Definitely better than the pictures.
Yeah, she saw a picture, she's like, ew, this car is ugly. And I'm like, no, it's not. We're gonna get to work on this. But we call her Negative Nancy. Her name is Negative Alejandra Nancy. So we spend the money. Let's see what happens. So, if you have a 2004 Honda Accord, this model goes from 2003 to 2007. So I'm guessing this works for all those radios. If you're dealing with this situation, when you unplug your battery or your car is dead for too long or something, you change the battery and you get this code thing. Well, I learned how to find the code. So supposedly, when you open your glove compartment, either on that little corner right there, and this one, the number is right there. So, top number, 12335. Let's see. 12335. Unlock, boy. Yeah, it worked. So you have a 2004 Honda Accord and you have to put in a code in the radio. The code is in the glove box. Hope this helps. We are on our way to you know who. We got 4 brand new tires that we're gonna install on this bad boy. Plus, because we installed the new catalytic converter, we also have an O2 sensor that we're gonna try to get installed while they do that.
Several days later.
Today, what we're gonna do is, when we were putting the tires on, we found out that the AC compressor is not turning on, so I ordered a new one, and that's what we're gonna do today. And I don't like the way that the rotors look. The rotors look really rusted. It doesn't sit right with me, so I ordered 4 new sets of brakes and rotors. These are 2 things I've never done before, so let's see how it goes. So the 2 bottom bolts that go on the bottom, put the bolts in the compressor before you put it in, because you can't take them out from where they're at. So we have Inspector Gadget with us today.
Wrong.
One brake and rotor done. It is day, who knows what day it is. I don't even know what day number. We've been working on this flip Honda Accord. So far, I changed the AC compressor. I changed 3 brakes and rotors. The rear brakes did fight back a little bit. I only changed 1. But being the fact we changed the AC compressor, we need to put Freon into the system. So we're gonna go to, you know who? We're gonna go to Who's PAPI Tires, because the best tire place in Queens. Anyway, hopefully Don Hugo's free to take care of me. You know, let's get to work. So whoever's getting this car will be getting a full tank. You know what? I'm feeling generous. Let's do 90 for you, just because. I'll fill it up. Let's go. Ooh, on the dot, 54. Got some pressures over here. I don't know what that means. Looks like a bunch of gibberish to me, but it's connected. And you see he's in there with the windows closed. I touched it already and it's kind of chilly in there. We're gonna have him change 1 brake, and allergies are kicking my butt. Whoa. So the AC worked, the brakes changed, but we had a visitor from the 305. He came down from Miami to visit, so we gotta put the car on pause. Tomorrow, we're gonna try to paint the bumper. Gotta do the spark plug and the air filter, and then the car's done. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, it's been probably a day or 2 since the last video. Man, we're gonna try to attack this bumper right here. This bumper looks like crap. I am not a professional painter by any means. I think I can make it look better than what the heck it looks now. Like there, that looks bad there. Over here. I jacked the car up so that way I could kind of like have it all up in my teeth. Like right there. I got a little kit from Walmart. I looked up the paint code. It comes with sandpaper. It comes with a little bit of body putty, which I'm not gonna do. I don't know how to do none of that. Some tape, a little sponge. This comes in the bag. Then you get we got base coat, the color code of the car, clear coat, primer, and all this for 90 bucks. So let's get to work. Ladies and gentlemen, I am done. This bumper looks way better than before, but look at this, look at this. Look at that, wow. Like it ain't perfect. Look, it matches. It looks good compared to what it looked like before. Like you got a little hole there, but that was there before. That looks really, really good. I'll see you in a few days.
Eventually.
So hopefully, this is the last day we work on this car. I got this car sold. Somebody will buy this car. Probably gonna come pick up the car today. We gotta do a few minor touches on the car. Do spark plug and the air filter. And I have a surprise in the trunk that I'm gonna do after I do those two things. But let's right away, let's get to work. Let's get this done. Can you guys guess what surprise I got for the car? Take a wild guess. Tell me this does not look beautiful. So we're gonna wrap up and put everything away, go give the car a wash, empty it out, and have it ready for the new owner. This car is officially complete. Let's go to the car wash.
A few moments later.
So the car wash wouldn't wash the engine, so I'm gonna wash the engine. Here at the gas station. So this is the before, peep the before. The car already got washed, but the engine is very dirty. Let's wash this engine. There you go. Now I can give this car away. Nice, nice, nice. I also put on new wipers, so this car is ready to go. The owner's on his way. He's gonna pick it up. The car's gone. He's off. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos to come. Peace.